What's up? What's happening? It's me, yo girl. Haven't filmed a video in like 20 years, and I look like trash in the one video that I upload. But it's whatever. So I saw this on Alex's channel, A-Dubs. I don't know if you watch her. Doesn't. I'll link her video. It's the cutest thing ever. I've shown like everyone, but she takes Jen's puppy and just like puts random stuff in front of him, and so I wanted to do that because like I have a super cute dog too. So today I am here with my Bella. Hey! Say hi to the camera. Hi everybody. Today I'm here with my Bella, and I'm gonna put random stuff in front of her and hope she doesn't run away because she's insane. And she's not really a puppy anymore. She's only one, but you're still a puppy to me. You're still a puppy to me. Okay, so enough with the puppy voice. Let's get this video started. Is it? That's no fun. Come here. Come on. Let's stop. Wait. She's not feeling that. Okay. Come on! Give me some action here, dog. I need you to react. That's the point of this video. I need the content. I need the content. Bella. Wow. A beauty. Okay, you're done? Are you done with the seashell? Now I know you like this. I know you like my brain. Yeah. Yeah, see, she's already taking a bite. Okay. Okay. So you like the braid squishy toy. You like that braid. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. Quality content right there. You're gonna hurt me. Get it. Get it. Ah! It's a hairdryer. It says Bella on it, so it's for you. It's a hairdryer for Bella. Come play with the hairdryer. You like cords. He's running away from everything. This is not the content I signed up for. Hey! Boop. Wow. Model status. It is at that point in my life where I am applying and deciding, well, I've already applied, where I am deciding what college I want to go to. So I'm down to Georgia State and Mercer. And so today, we are gonna have Bella choose. I got a Georgia State pen and I got a Mercer pen. And she's gonna choose which pen. Bella, come here. Pick one. Pick one. This is important. Pick one for mommy. She is not having it today. So we're gonna put them in some socks, which I know she likes. You like the socks though. See, that's the only content you're giving me. Stop, okay. One here and one here. Pick a sock. Bella! Where is the action? Pick a sock. Are you gonna get a sock? You're giving nothing. Do they not smell like my feet? What do you want? You love socks. You just turn her head. Hey. You are just not feeling it today, are you? Did you pick one? Okay, she grabbed this one for like half a second. So let's see what the moment of truth is. Mercer. I was really hoping for better content out of her, but she is just not having it today. She's gonna go work out a little bit. Nope, she's just sniffing. Okay. I'm still gonna upload this because, like, she's a cute dog, so you can enjoy like 5 minutes of content. But I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in like another month and a half. Okay, bye. Bye-bye. See you again, you Dusty, to work with, yeah. Okay, she's not having it today.